everybody.
Hi.
Welcome back to another Gluten-Free Friday. Today we have our intern Abigail, and it's her last day.
It is my last day.
So we decided we're gonna con her into being on Gluten-Free Friday for the day, and we're making a fun holiday little snack. What are we making?
We're making little Christmas trees with
Pastry
dough and pesto and cheese.
Yeah, so they're gonna be like cinnamon roll type thing where you put the flavors in the center, and then we're gonna make them look like a little Christmas tree, and then put a little star cheese on top. So
cute.
The first step in this is we've got our little pesto.
It looks beautiful.
You can make your own. We just bought the one from the store, whatever you're feeling, and you're just gonna. We also, sorry for other context, we have 2 little pastry doughs rolled out. Gluten-free pastry dough. They're rolled out. So we put the pesto, put the cheese, we put the other one on top, and give it a little slicey slice. Okay. So good layer.
Brush.
Little layer of pesto. I love a good pesto. This is a good little Christmas app.
Absolutely. I like pesto with pasta as well.
Yeah.
There's this Italian restaurant my family and I go to, and they have a gluten-free,
Ooh.
They have gluten-free noodles that you can sub for any dish, and you can put the gluten-free noodles in it, and it has this gorgeous pesto, so this reminds me of that.
What kind of noodles do they have? Like what?
What
shape are they?
They're kind of weird. They're like, normal ones are like, like the corkscrews. These are like little waves almost, and they're but they're long.
Okay. Homemade there?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I don't know, but very good.
Okay. Now I'll put the little cheesy. Put the little cheesies.
All right. Perfect.
And then
I'm just gonna scatter these on.
yeah, we're using provolone. You can use mozzarella or whatever you're feeling, but we have prove.
Do you have a favorite Christmas tradition?
Well, I don't live at home anymore, and my parents are going on a cruise for 12 days, so they're not really doing anything for Christmas. They're coming back a few days before Christmas.
Aww.
But I feel like decorating the tree when I was younger was fun. Now I decorate my boyfriend's family's tree because they do it the night of Thanksgiving. The night of Thanksgiving every year, they decorate the tree. And I've been doing that. We've been dating for 7 years. I've probably been doing that for 6 years.
There you go.
It's really fun. That's my favorite. What's your little favorite?
I like driving around and looking at the Christmas lights in my neighborhood.
True.
Because my neighborhood, it's just like a classic neighborhood, but everyone really goes all out with the Christmas lights in my neighborhood. So
okay.
Yeah, we like driving around.
Now we've got our little. It looks like a little coffin. You know what I'm thinking? Hopefully the cheese swirls. It makes a little Christmas tree. We're gonna find out. It might be a fail, but you know what? We could still always just make them little garlic breads or something.
Yeah.
We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out if this works. So I'm pressing her. Pressed. All right. Perfect. Now we're gonna cut them into little strips, and we're gonna hope and pray. That's all we got here. Okay. Here's our little strip. Oh, it should work.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Just be careful because they're not very together.
Okay.
But it should be okay.
All right.
So what's the folding method?
The folding method is just to make it look like a Christmas tree. Yeah, so we're going to do it like that. Oh, this one broke a little bit.
Like that almost?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go.
Did it break?
A little, but that's okay. It still looks like a Christmas tree to me.
Yeah.
Okay. Do I do another layer?
Yeah.
Like another bottom layer?
Yeah, maybe a bigger layer.
There.
Okay.
Okay. I see the vision.
We can tuck it in.
Okay. And then do we want to put
do a little skew.
Okay.
Can the camera see?
Absolutely. Let's see what we got here. It looks like a little layer Christmas tree.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna put this little thing in it to keep it all together.
Yeah.
This little toothpick.
Okay. And now we're gonna put them. Guys, don't judge. We're gonna put them here.
There we go.
And we're gonna hope and pray. Okay, it's sticking. That's good enough for me.
That looks cute.
Okay, so I'm gonna do.
I think it's gonna break, but it's still gonna look like a Christmas tree.
It's gonna break. You know, guys.
It's gluten-free puff pastry.
Gluten-free puff pastry it's in its first innovation. It's not gonna be perfect, but like we can finagle it.
Improvise. Absolutely.
Okay, she's gonna be a big one.
It's all about the spirit, right? Like,
Yeah.
just...
Honestly, cheese pesto dough, I don't care what it looks like, I'm gonna eat it. Okay, this one is not this one is not giving tree, but it's giving, I will still eat it.
However, it will still be delicious.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
Green.
And it's still green, absolutely. And we have our little stars. I think the stars will probably help us.
I just realized the stars are gonna go on the bottom of the tree. Okay, we're doing upside down Christmas trees. That's the vibe.
It's okay.
Okay.
Reskewer.
We could reskewer.
They're so falling apart. I don't know if it's gonna work.
Oh, okay.
We're
We
doing
can
upside
change
down.
it for these.
Yeah, we can change it for this one. Okay. Yeah, we've had some troubles finding. Oh, it's okay. Gluten-free pastry dough or like a phyllo. So I'm not gonna be mad if it falls apart, but I know it'll still taste delicious. Okay. There we go.
And then this one's gonna fall apart. I just know it. But we'll give it a go anyway. Because I have to bend it a little bit more. We were doing good at the beginning, guys.
Yeah, the first one is looking tree.
The first one is looking true.
I mean, who knows if it's gonna puff up and even not look like a tree anymore? You know what I'm
You
saying?
know what? You know what?
That's okay.
We had it.
That's
We
okay.
had it.
Okay.
Go
Wait.
ahead.
Wait, I have to do it this way.
Okay.
Because, oh my god, I'm gonna stab you.
It's okay. It won't hurt. They're not spiky. There.
See, now we can put the star on top.
There you go. You know, it'll...
Everyone comment, how are you feeling about our trees?
How are our trees looking, guys?
Don't say that they're bad. Because I don't care. No, I'm just kidding. Give your opinion, but don't break our hearts.
Make it nice.
Yeah, make it nice.
Yes.
So how long do these bake for?
They're gonna bake for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll just check on them probably after 10. Here's your little, I'll do this one.
Okay.
This one doesn't have cheese, so maybe we can get this one to look
Okay.
good.
Last one, best one.
Yeah, okay. Did you do the small layer first?
I did.
Okay.
I kind of fold this over and then make the top. And that makes it look a little nice. And then we'll fold this one under.
Mine is just dough, no cheese. That's okay though. She's following. My Christmas tree.
Guys, my last one did not turn out well.
Oh, Sammy wants one.
Sammy.
Okay. We got it through.
We did.
So now we're gonna, I gotta go around. Sammy wants one, our little studio kitty. So now we're gonna put them in the oven at 400 for 10 to 15 minutes. And it's gonna be a surprise how they turn out. We're gonna see
Stay
how they turn out.
tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. Maybe a bit of a fail in the shape. However, it's still gonna be delicious and Christmas and green. So we'll be back in 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, guys, and now they're done. So just don't look at them yet because the tree shape is up to your interpretation. If you're closing maybe one eye and maybe squinting the one eye that's open, and you're also thinking, hey, Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Reveal. Oh.
Whoops.
Can they see?
No.
Oh. Okay, well, I'll show you the one good one. So we'll do the good one first. This is the good one. It's giving tree, right?
It is giving tree.
Now here is where we went a little off the tracks. How are we feeling?
But you know what? They smell amazing.
How are we feeling?
I think they're gonna taste amazing.
Yeah.
And
So like I said, just like leave it up to your imagination, and it's fine. So now what we're gonna do also is you're gonna lay the stars on top, like Christmas time. Are we getting that or what? Okay. So that's it. That's how we made them. Gluten-free pastry dough, like I said before, a little cracky, a little breaking apart vibe. So Not everything's going to be perfect, but you know what? As long as it tastes very delicious as it's going to taste when I eat this soon, then it doesn't matter. There you go. Also, if you still are looking for holiday recipes, go on our blog. You see the little pop-up window that pops up. You're probably like, I don't want a pop-up window, but no, just wait. Let it load. Holiday ebook with so many recipes. We got main dishes, desserts, drinks, Hanukkah recipes. Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Put in your little email and it's gonna get sent right to your inbox at glutenfreeandmore.com on our blog. Also, get your holiday issue. Out. Go to Barnes & Noble. Go to your local grocery store. Or check your little mailbox if you already have a subscription and it's probably there. Actually, it probably got there last month because it's November, December. But, so that's my spiel. Now we're gonna give them a taste. I'm gonna eat the messed up one. Sorry.
Okay.
I kind of want it. I'm gonna just go for it.
I will give the pretty
Don't eat
one.
the stick.
No, I'm gonna bite this little part right here. Yeah, don't eat the stick. The stick is not edible. Okay, ready?
It's hot. Okay, yes.
Yeah, be careful.
They're hot.
Just eat like a little nibble.
Oh, but they're actually. Are you okay, Nick? They're actually very good. Like really, really insanely good.
No, it's really good. That's what I'm saying. Like, presentation is not the only thing that matters.
I am like personally gluten-free. I have like a gluten allergy, and I love these. I would eat these at a Christmas party, 100%.
The dough is not bad.
No,
Tasting.
it's not. It's not bad at all.
Tasting. The malleability of it, we'll get there.
And gluten-free things sometimes fall apart because it's not normal wheat. So just trial and error. And they're really cute and they're really yummy. So
This is just cheese that We'll see everyone next week. Next week we're doing another holiday. This month we're doing all holiday, obviously. Next month we're gonna have a sweet holiday treat though. Ooh. So look out for that next Friday. And we'll see you guys next week for another Gluten-Free Friday.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. And bye Abigail. Bye Abigail.
bye everybody.